tell me about your thought process about like replacing an entire executive team, even if it's sequential over an 18-month period, is something that there are likely other entrepreneurs and CEOs that know they probably should.
Mm-hmm.
But that's like, deciding to some people that you're gonna, jump into a hang glider by yourself when you've never even been in one before.
Yeah.
So share your thought process behind that, because those are very hard. Some of these are, good people that you're loyal to and you
Amazing people.
respected. Like, you had really, they might not have been right for where you were going, but these weren't like bad humans.
No, they
So
were
sure,
amazing
how did you?
people. They were like
Yeah,
family to me. I love them
yeah.
dearly. And there's a couple of things. Is one is you recognize that you love them no matter what, but you have to love the business and the 600 associates that we have within our
Mm-hmm.
organization that need to grow and thrive. And so that was the number one realization. But the second was just like, in the US, we just had the Super Bowl. Super Bowl winning teams are a function of great leadership and great teams, great people. You have to recruit the best of the best.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is ironic. It might be ironic. Uh, when we recruited new talent, salaries actually went up. Our overall costs of labor, or call it leaders, talent, went up. And I repeat, we had our best year ever in the history of the company because we were hiring A player talent. We were hiring the best of the best in their specific domain.